Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see by the title, this is a how-to sleek low bun. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do my sleek low buns. I wear them pretty often and I really like them. They're good for a quick and easy, hairstyle that you want to last for like 4 to 5 days. So the first thing that I'm going to do is section off my hair. This is how I've been wearing my hair for like the last couple of days. It's Tuesday. I washed my hair on Sunday. So yeah, it's just been out and like I've been putting on a headband. Before I section off my hair, I just want to show you guys the products that I have been using for my slick low buns. So the first thing is a spray bottle full of water, my conditioner, just a little bit just to give my hair some moisture. I use the Eco Styling Gel, Argan Oil. I do go in with the Pro Style Gel, and this is regular hold. And then I just have the Hicks edges. I like this because it doesn't really turn my hair white. I use some Silk Therapy Light brushes. So this is like an old school hard brush. It's kind of like damaged, as you guys can see. I've been using it a lot. Okay, so yes, old school hard brush. And then I have this type of hard brush. It's curved, like fits my head right in there. So yeah, curved brush. And then I just have 2 combs, my edge brush. I think you guys have seen this before. A few scrunchies that I'm going to use. I don't use rubber bands to actually hold my hair. When I put my hair in a bun, that's when I use a rubber band. So yeah, I have these for now. And then I just have my hair clip. So let's jump into sectioning off my hair. So I section it off into 3 sections first. And now for the back, I just section that in 2. And then this back portion is what I'm going to be working with. The first thing that I do is grab my spray bottle and spray my hair just a little bit. It don't have to be soaking wet because then it won't dry by the time you want to put your scarf on. I just comb through it a little bit. And then put my sleeves up. And then I go in with some conditioner. This much, not a lot. Rub that in. Just so my hair can be a little moist. Make sure I get my ends. Comb through that. Then I go in with a little oil for my scalp. Guys can't really see it. Go in with a little oil. And now it's time for the main part, which is the gel. I use about this much. Rub it in. And slick it down. So you don't want to bring the gel down to the bottom part here. You don't want it to be too stringy or wet, because when you do the bun, you want the bun to be full. So I'm just slicking down that back portion. I'm going to turn to the back. Then I'm going to take my hard brush and brush it down. Oh, that hurts. I remember getting my hair done and used to brush the forehead, the ears, the neck. Oh, it would hurt so bad. So then I'm going to comb through it. Just see. So that is what the slicked ponytail is going to look like. So now it is time for the second portion of the back. So same process. But here I'm just taking out the scrunchie just to bring it all together for one big bun in the back. I'm gonna comb through it. Okay, now it's slicked. So now we are moving on to the top portions. I am doing a part in the middle, as you guys can see. A swoop side low bun really doesn't work for me. Getting the swoop, it doesn't work all the time, and I don't want to mess it up. Same process. For the front portion, I usually take a comb just to make sure it's even and everything. Then instead of doing this half, I go to this half first, just to, I think it's just my OCD. I'm just want to do both small sides first. With the bigger sections, which is up top, but before we do that, we must get our parts in the middle straight. So, oh goodness gracious, we're gonna run some gel down the middle just to be able to separate it more. We're gonna grab a thin comb and go straight down the middle. I feel like I have a permanent part, even though I've been natural for a while. When I used to flat iron my hair, I always used to wear parts in the middle. Or when I used to wear weaves and stuff and get sew-ins, part in the middle was my go-to. So I feel like I have a nice permanent part or whatever. That's how it looks in the back. Now it's time to fix my edges, and then I go in with this, the Hicks Edge Control. I just take some on my little comb and I put it on the edges of my hair, and then I start, you know, swooping and whatnot. That just take a lot of concentration, y'all. A whole lot. This little comb hurt. Jesus. For that part, I need a bigger comb because it's kind of like stuck. And then I do leave some out there. So that's what it looks like. I know this side gonna give me some problems, okay? Your edges never cooperate on both sides. Like, this is my best side. So now it's time for the struggle. Same thing, but I already feel like it ain't gonna work. Spread it on there like some butter. And let's attempt. See, already it's getting on my nerves. So we're gonna attempt to do the same thing. How many over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. My edge is finna be sisters and not twins. I can't. I don't know. I just can't. I feel like my edges is thinner on this side anyway. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. All right. To lay them down first before I put my hair in a bun. So I take this, oh, what did I do? I take this long black scarf and I make sure that the silky part is on my edges and not like the more rough part of the silk. So I just put it on there nice and tight, lay it down, I tie it. I try not to be too tight because it will give me a headache and then I'm gonna want to move it. So then I tie it like that and just keep tying so these things won't be in my face. Right? So about 4 knots. And then I do use a sock. The reason I use a sock is because my hair is thick enough for a bun, but it just looks so much more sleek when I have a sock. I don't know if people still do this or not, but hey, I do, okay? I like my buns to be sleek, so I'm taking a thick sock like so, and you're gonna make sure it's even hair all around. Even hair all around. Take a comb and just comb through. Like this, and just place it over the bun like that. And then I'm gonna comb through it. Like so. And then just take the rest of the hair with some conditioner around the ends and twist that around. And then I'm going to take another scrunchie and wrap that around the bun. Boom. Ooh, nice and cute. Yeah, and that is the back. Nice. And that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this hairstyle. There will be more to come. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure you come back for more videos. Bye.